Something I do fairly often in compositing software is flip images or video horizontal or vertical. And I do it all the time in After Effects. And with After Effects, you just right click and the option is there. But it's a little different in Premiere. So I'm just going to walk you through it. It's very simple. Say I want to flip this bird, right? I've got my bird selected and I'm going to go to Effects, your Effects menu. If you don't see it, maybe double click your double arrows and it will be there. Or go up to Windows and make sure that Effects is checked off. Then in your little search bar, search flip, and you will see both horizontal flip and vertical flip. So make sure again that your whatever you want to flip is selected, and then double click on horizontal or vertical, whichever one you're trying to do. Okay, so now you need to go to Effect Controls. So same deal, if you don't see it, double click on your double arrows or window. I don't know if Effect Controls is, yes it is, okay. So you can go to Windows to make sure you have it available. And then scroll down and you'll see it there. And look, my bird has already flipped when I double clicked it. But if I wanted to deactivate that and see it how it originally was, I would just click the FX button and that will turn the effect off. That was the original, and then back on. There it is, flipped horizontally. So that's it. I hope that you guys found this helpful and join me in my next vid.